Hello everyone, we are here today at a local car show event in John Chesnut Park. So we're going to check out all these cars and see if we can talk to some owners.
Oh god, dude. I think that weather map's correct.
I know, I set it all up for you.
Let's go check out this Datsun right quick and then we'll turn back around. Ooh, look at that color. Clean. But at least we have some footage.
Me, I got a brand new truck. I got a Sandra that I built in the 90s.
I like this. Oh, Tommy.
I got about 34,000. What can I get for?
Hello.
No, yeah, it's a Hellcat.
Oh yeah, I beat a Viper like. Are you kidding me? In a wheelie.
Wow.
Yeah, and it's a Volkswagen.
Yeah, that's amazing.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
amazing.
The guy wouldn't look over at me,
Yeah.
and I was laughing because he doesn't have
Excuse
a
me.
room. And I got an open car with no body, and I was cracking up laughing. Wow, you got smoked by a Volkswagen.
Yeah, that is amazing. It really is.
Well, you have a wonderful day. Hopefully it won't rain. Anymore, yeah.
I've only seen these in Hot Wheels.
You're right, dude. You're totally right.
That is pretty cool.
I wouldn't think Dodge. I would think it was like a Honda import.
Oh, look at this.
Mini Cooper. I love Mini Coopers.
Sweet Mini. It's super mini.
You modernized it. You built it in there?
Love that Corvette.
Yeah.
Got the Alfie group.
Mm-hmm.
This one looks good too. Too bad they're tarping it up. And I like this sedan too, especially the race version that's based off of.
Mm-hmm. Those
Oh, there's those trucks.
the SSRs we're talking about.
Oh, beautiful.
Sweet.
Oh, here comes again.
Get out that way.
This is a 1983 Lotus Turbo Esprit. It's the first year that they came out with the turbo model. There's only 712 were imported to the U.S. between 83 and 87.
Wow.
And this was one of the demonstrator cars when it first came to the U.S. They had 3 Lotuses that they gave to like track and field, motor car, and all that stuff to test drive and write articles on.
Yeah.
This is one of the cars that they used.
That's pretty cool history of it.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it looks amazing. I love the styling of like the 80s.
Yeah.
It's the first gen Esprit, right?
Was the first generation didn't have the turbo.
Okay, same body style though?
Yeah.
Okay, right. And then it turns to like the 92, 93.
And 87, that's 87.
It's 87?
Yeah.
Okay.
They call it
Cool, man.
Stevens redid it.
Okay.
Called the S cars.
Yeah, I like both of them.
Yeah. Well, they rounded the corners. They got rid of the louvers in the back. And, it didn't look as muscly. You know what I mean?
It's getting more into like the 90s style.
Yeah.
I love square cars, Fox body Mustangs.
Yeah.
I'm all about Hondas, so Civics. I just like the squared off, man.
Oh yeah, it's yeah, me too. That's why I wanted one of these rather than the S cars.
Sure. One of my favorites when I saw it, I said I gotta talk to this guy.
What I really want to ask is, do you know if this is the same kind of Lotus that was in Pretty Woman?
Yes, no, that was the S car, the newer model.
So that's the Gen after.
This is the G car, which they call it the difference because this was styled by Googly Argley or something like that, and the S cars was styled by Stevens. That's the ones with the rounded corners. They got rid of the louvers and put the glass on it.
All right. Awesome. Well, thanks for talking to us.
Sure.
Sweet truck. I want one of those except in blue and swap to EV.
Oh, no. So this is the second time. Which is my car. So all this guys, which is the car. Oh, they got
You're going to take away that.
win the car, huh?
Yeah, you win that. You win that surprise.
And that was in 6. Yeah, that was in 6. And then I think it's 2007, and then they're off a couple years and came back.
I did not know that. Shaq Bear. All right, the outside linebacker Shaq Bear has donated to us. Thank you very much. Has donated to us a football. He's signed it. He's got 2 Super Bowl rings, people. 2 Super Bowl rings, and you can have a Bear signed football. If you're here at noon, listening to our live auction, we call it auction now. You want to be here at noon, okay? You can walk over to the football. All right, you ready to play? Here we go.
Here's some pictures. Just go click the head button.
In the Philippines, after World War II, they had a whole bunch of these that was left behind. So what they did was they chopped the back and extended it, put seats, and used it like a bus.
Oh, wow.
And they still use them today. You can find still old ones still running around today.
That's pretty sweet.
Yep.
The more you know.
The more you know.
I'm pretty sure it's flat, and then you.
I love these trucks.
I love like old Beatles and like the nostalgia pieces. The sucker for it, man. For Evelyn, I love Grandma. Let me get a picture of that.
Was this the first ever frunk? Let us know.
All right, guys. Hey, I want to interrupt real briefly here, guys. Guess what? Pizza's on, and this
There's
is
a
not something
telephone in there.
rolled off a chain roller in some stormy fast food oven in Domino's ready. You have Three Brothers New York Pizzas, Tampa Bay's home of the New York pizza. It's homemade. They use fresh ingredients, and it just got off the truck, people. Grab your food tickets, get down and get some fresh pizza like you've never tasted before for a really good bargain price. All this is homemade, fresh, never store-bought. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. Let's do it, and also stop by.
I think so.
It's one of those old-timey drive-in movie theater speakers.
It's cool.
So you take this, you put it on the side of your car, and you're at the drive-in movie, so you could hear the movie.
I was standing in the rain and pulled this part, so I got to text this home. Look at that.
I saw that car.
Look how the spare tire is arranged. Pretty interesting.
Like 3 bodies in there.
Right? Same happening here. I guess that's the best way to put a spare tire back in the day. Well, nowadays you don't even have a spare tire anymore. Interesting about these old cars is they never had any headrests. Until about a certain year that they were federally regulated to have. And that's why a lot of people, if they get rear-ended, they always broke their neck.
Mm-hmm. Trying to save your neck, man.
Right?
I like this color though.
Uh-huh.
Colors.
I didn't know they made a wagon looking one. Yeah, a sport-back wagon one.
Interesting.
Brakes larger than our tires, Joe. Oh, where's the exhaust? Nowhere to be found. Everything digital in the interior.
This is the Hertz Shelby.
Uh-huh.
So the Hertz rental car, and then they had the Hertz Shelby rent-a-car edition, and then later they sold them.
Oh, yeah.
So now you're married.
Second marriage.
But second time, there's more though. With the flames, that's awesome. El Camino. We're going to celebrate 63.
Turns out I'm not allowed to go.
We're married. So it worked for me. We're 25th anniversary. I didn't realize there's that much space in the back. 50th.
I like the white color.
Yeah.
It's a very nice white.
It's an off-white cream.
Don't worry about that. Colin. Wait about this. Good?
Is this the Cruella de Vil car?
No doubt.
I love the fins. The fins just give it that extra flair. And you could put like 5 bodies in there.
I heard these cars are real finicky.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
That's right. That's right.
Dad joke for you.
I like your shirt, by the way.
And they fit. Okay. I mean, perfect. Exact same bolt pattern and everything.
It's part of the new game for some people to figure out what kind of wheels
Yeah.
fit on a different car.
There's, yes, yes, yeah. There's a whole Facebook dedicated to it.
Oh, for real?
Yes.
Yeah. Wow.
It's cars on stock, like cars on like wrong stock wheels. This is.
I grabbed it. I've never owned anything but.
Nope.
No, you just love it.
This thing's great.
I tell you, I'd buy it.
Yeah, but he's on the counter with that cow. If somebody turns a horn and the cow squeaks.
All right, 40 grand.
Oh, yeah, that's fine.
It's like syrup.
Yeah.
Held up some cereal.
Look at this thing.
I'm willing to go down if I don't take the extra.
Well, that's the whole show, man.
Pretty sweet.